Welcome to this tutorial on using the Logistics Sales module. Today, we'll walk through creating a quote for an FCL shipment in the software. First, open your browser and go to fblogistics.cloud. Enter your provided username and password, then click Sign in to log in. Once logged in, select your company's module and navigate to Logistics Sales. The system will display the dashboard by default. If not, click the menu in the top right and choose Dashboard. On the Sales dashboard, click Request a Quote in the top right corner to begin creating a quote. The system will switch to the Match Price screen, where you can enter details such as the shipment type, loading port, unloading port, and estimated shipment date. The system will use this date to find valid rates. After entering the information, click Match Price to search for rates. If a match is found, the system will automatically take you to the preview screen where you can review the quote. The preview screen consists of two sections, a rate information table and a corresponding local charge table for each rate. On the toolbar, select the Container Selector button to hide or display columns based on the container type. In the rate table, you can update the price information in the displayed columns. Additionally, you can adjust the local charge information as needed. Once the updates are complete, you can select the desired rates and quickly export the quote to an Excel file. The Excel file will follow the company's standard template. After that, click Confirm Quote to generate the quote and proceed to the Quotation Information entry screen. The system displays the quotation screen, which consists of two parts, the inquiry form and the rate table. You will update the inquiry information on the left-hand side. Please note that the term of service field has 4 options. If you choose any option other than port-to-port, a trucking pricing tab will appear on the right. There are other fields that must be filled out completely according to the available information. Similarly, if you select customs clearance at either the loading or unloading port, a customs clearance pricing tab will be added for you to input the corresponding prices. After completing the inquiry form, move on to the pricing input screen. The first screen is the container information screen. You can add, delete, or update container details and types for quoting. Whenever container information is changed, the columns in the quotation screen below will adjust accordingly. The margin configuration function allows you to adjust prices in bulk by a percentage or amount based on the original price. Click Charge Model under the toolbar to access the configuration screen. Here you'll find different pricing categories like sea, trucking, customs clearance, etc. Each category offers 2 options, configure prices by percentage or by amount. For example, if you want to add $100 to the base sea freight rate, simply input 100 USD in the configuration. Once done, click Save. Return to the sea freight rate table, tick the rate you want to apply, and click Apply Margin on the toolbar. The system will notify you of the successful application, and you'll see the sale price has increased by 100 USD as configured. Next to Apply Margin is the Match Price button, which searches for rates based on the ETD, loading port, and unloading port entered in the inquiry. The system will display the matching rates, allowing you to tick the desired rate. By selecting the desired price, the system will add a new row in the quotation screen below. Since we've already matched the price earlier, there's no need to add another one. You can click the delete icon at the beginning of the row to remove the selected price. The Add Price button lets you manually add rates instead of pulling from the system, while the Clear Prices button removes all rates from the table if needed. Next is the local charge pricing information, which can be added the same way as previously explained. For customs clearance fees, click Add on the toolbar. The system will display a new price line. Each price line has options such as delete or copy, which you can explore on your own. For example, to add a customs clearance fee of 100 USD for a shipment, simply follow the provided instructions. Similarly, update the trucking rates accordingly. Once all pricing information is entered, click Save to store it. If you want to export a quotation, simply tick the quote you want to export, then click Export Quotation on the toolbar. The quotation will be exported in the format mentioned earlier. Next to the Export Quotation button is the Mail option, allowing you to send emails with the generated information, such as sending a quote to a customer. Adjust the sender and recipient details, then click Send to send the email. After sending, check your inbox to confirm that the email has been sent according to the set template. Once the customer confirms the quote, proceed to create an internal booking. On the quotation screen, tick the confirmed rate and click Internal Booking on the toolbar. The software will switch to a screen where you can enter additional information for creating the internal booking. After filling in the required details, click Create to finalize the booking. The system will notify you of the successful booking creation and take you to the booking screen. There will be additional videos with specific instructions on the booking screen. With that, we've completed the tutorial on how to create a quote for an LCL shipment in the system. Please review this video multiple times and practice data entry according to the provided template to master the process.